Whey protein is really important for building muscles, and a lot of people all around the world eat it every day. It comes from cow milk when cheese is made. Factories make about 10,000 bottles of whey protein every day. But before it becomes the powder that people buy, it goes through some important steps. First, the milk from dairy farms is checked to make sure it's good. Then, it's heated up to kill germs, separated into different parts, and made into a powder. It's also tested a lot to make sure it's good quality. This process has been going on for a long time, starting way back when farmers stored milk in animal stomachs and the milk separated on its own. If you want to discover more fascinating facts and secrets, subscribe now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. The process begins by collecting milk from dairy farms where cows are specifically bred for milk production. Farmers ensure the cows are healthy and well-fed because their living conditions affect milk yield. These cows are milked twice a day and can produce between 25 to 35 liters of milk per day. To streamline the milking process, robotic systems are used for efficiency. The milk is then transported to the processing facility, often in specialized bulk tanker trucks designed to maintain optimal temperature and quality during transportation. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure it meets required standards. Following transportation, the collected milk undergoes thorough quality testing, assessing temperature, acidity, and contamination. Milk meeting quality standards advances for further processing. The next crucial step is pasteurization, essential for ensuring the safety of milk and its products. Two primary pasteurization methods are employed: high-temperature short-time (HTST) and ultra-high temperature (UHT). In HTST, milk is swiftly heated to around 161 degrees Fahrenheit, 72 degrees Celsius, for 15 seconds before rapid cooling. Conversely, UHT involves rapidly heating milk to about 280 degrees Fahrenheit to 138 degrees Celsius for a mere 2 to 5 seconds. UHT treatment prolongs milk's shelf life, permitting extended storage without refrigeration. This meticulous process guarantees that the milk and its derivatives meet stringent safety standards before reaching consumers. Following pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled to around 4 degrees Celsius to maintain quality and inhibit microbial growth. The initial step in whey protein production involves curdling the milk, typically achieved by adding rennet, an enzyme complex containing chymosin, in large industrial vats. Mechanical stirrers ensure thorough mixing. The coagulated milk is then separated into solid curds and liquid whey. While curds are used for cheesemaking, liquid whey undergoes pasteurization again to eliminate remaining bacteria. This ensures the safety and quality of the final whey protein product. Concentrating and isolating the protein in whey, primarily through membrane filtration and ion exchange technology, follows. These steps produce high-quality whey protein powders for dietary supplements and nutrition products. Membrane filtration is a method of separating substances at cold temperatures using porous membranes. These membranes have different pore sizes that can filter out bacteria, remove fat from the whey, and allow carbohydrates and minerals to pass through while keeping the whey intact. Ion exchange selectively isolates specific protein components in raw whey by passing it through a column. The proteins are separated based on their net charge, leaving behind lactose and minerals. This process isolates functional and nutritional proteins, resulting in whey protein with less fat and lactose, complete solubility, and a clean taste. These advancements improve the taste and appearance of whey protein, making it more desirable. Following concentration, whey is dried using spray drying, where it is atomized into small droplets and then dried in a chamber. Hot air is blown into the chamber, causing rapid evaporation of water from the droplets. As water evaporates, whey solids form dry particles collected at the bottom. Particle size is controlled by adjusting spray drying parameters. Dried whey protein is weighed and mixed with flavorings, sweeteners, and sometimes vitamins and minerals in rotating drums for consistency. Empty cans are fed onto a conveyor belt for filling. An automatic machine fills each can precisely with protein powder from an intermediate bulk container, IBPC. This ensures accurate filling and maintains the final blend's integrity for packaging. After filling, each container undergoes a weight check to ensure that packaging has been done correctly. After the filling has been completed, a labeling machine labels each container with important information such as the name of the product, nutritional information, and instructions for use. A worker then inserts a plastic ring on the top of each container, which is then heat sealed to ensure an airtight and precise closure. The containers are then stored in large totes ready for distribution. Before the containers are set off around the globe, a team of experts tests each batch to make sure the quality standards are being met. These experts conduct a taste test and compare it to the gold standard. This ensures that the taste, texture, and consistency are correct. If not, the batch is put on hold and sent back to blending so nothing will be wasted. Today, the goal of major whey and performance nutrition companies is to offer better nutrition products to help achieve better health and a level of nutrition. Whey protein can now be found in infant nutrition formulas to supplements for the elderly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want more, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your support is appreciated.